Oh, so close. Do it! Do it! Do it! Yeah! Grab it! She wants you to throw it!
I'm trying.
Zoe! Come! Zoe, come! Zoe, come! Zoe, come! Zoe, come! Hey! Oh my God! Give it back.
Don't do it.
Zoe.
Just relax. She won't bite you. It just
She
gets.
won't bite.
It'll just get stuck in her
Zoe.
teeth.
Zoe.
You guys don't have to be afraid.
Zoe. Let go. Zoe. Zoe. Let go. Zoe. Zoe. What is the matter with you? Let it go.
Come here. Just gotta take it out of her mouth. Leave it. Go on, guys. Get it.
Go. Go.
Okay.
I'm open, Nate. We're playing. I'm open.
What?
Zoe. It's supposed to be in the middle.
No. You have to let her get it too.
Oh,
Good.
nice catch. Take it out of her mouth. Come on. Zoe. Zoe, come.
Don't jump around. You're like scaring her. Just
Zoe. Nice.
see?
It's done. Now go get it! I got it. Zoe, come. Go.